National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Menard County, Logan County, north central Sangamon County, southwestern DeWitt County, southeastern Mason County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Athens, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Logan County, north central Sangamon County, southwestern DeWitt County, southeastern Mason County until 4:30 p.m.
Go through.
Weekend. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Williamsville around 3:50 p.m. Middletown and Elkhart around 3:55 p.m. Lincoln around 4 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Atlanta. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 55 between mile markers 102 and 141. Markers 102 and 141.